Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see a snack item which is nothing but the kappa vada or the tapioca vada. So you must be wondering, like, vada is usually made with all dals, and this is going to be a different recipe which is made out of tapioca and it is having a unique taste. Kappa vada is a crispy savory snack which is usually served during the tea time, or it can also be served along with lunches. And this is a this particular kappa vada or the tapioca vada is very rich in protein and fiber. In today's recipe, I have shown you the kappa vada in two different ways. One will be in the taste of the urad dal vada without adding onions and garlic. The other one will be by adding the onions and garlic, and it will be more or less in the texture of a masala vada. So if you're watching my video for the first time, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes and notifications. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare a tapioca vada. So this is called as kappa in Malayalam and maravalli kirangu in Tamil. Today I'm going to show you two different ways of making this vada. So for that, what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to peel the skin. In one tapioca I'm just going to shred it using a scraper, and the other one I'm just going to cut into small pieces. And while shredding the tapioca, just make sure that you peel off the skin completely, wash it nicely, and use a very small shredder to shred the tapioca, not the big ones, otherwise it will be difficult to make vada. So I would suggest that you take the smallest possible shredder to shred the vada. One is, I have taken two tapioca and I've cut it into pieces like this. I've washed it with water nicely, and I've chopped about 2 to 3 green chilies, as per your spice level you can add the green chilies, some curry leaves, some grated ginger, some finely chopped coriander leaves, black pepper powder, salt, 1/4 cup of the rice flour, oil required for frying. So in the hot boiling water, I'm just going to add the tapioca and let it cook for a few minutes. So for preparing the different type of the tapioca vada, what I've done is I've taken one tapioca, I have grated the tapioca. After peeling the skin, I have washed it and then grated it. I've taken some finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 onions finely chopped. So it's only 1 green chilli finely chopped here, because I'm also going to dry grind 2 red chilies, 4 to 5 flakes of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt for the fennel seeds, and 1 piece of ginger. We are going to dry grind this and keep it separately. Grated tapioca, I'm adding some green chilies, finely chopped onions, some coriander leaves. So what I've done is I've also dry ground the spices of red chili, ginger, garlic and the saunf, and along with that I've also added half of the tapioca which is shredded. So I've just done it in a whipper mode so that it will come to a binding consistency. For this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, salt as per taste. One vada batter is ready with onions, garlic and red chili and other spices. So I'm just going to nicely make a round shape, and we're going to deep fry the vadas. Slowly slide the vadas from the sides. Slowly turn the vadas. So this will be just like the normal masala vadas, how you do it. But instead of adding any dals, here it is only tapioca. And it tastes really yum. So what I've done is, after boiling the tapioca, I've nicely mashed it using a masher. You can either use a masher or a nice ladle and just press it nicely. And then we'll be adding the spices to it. Some pepper powder, salt, grated ginger, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Lots of curry leaves, because coriander leaves and curry leaves will give you a lot of flavor, and also finely chopped green chilies. So this mix has got spice level as black pepper and the green chili, and in the previous one we added the red chili for the spice. Just going to add a little bit of water. For the binding, we are adding about 1/4 cup of rice flour. You can reduce or increase the quantity of the rice flour according to the consistency. It just has to come to a nice chapati dough like consistency. So that is a proper consistency. So you can add some more water and prepare. Now you can see that the dough is ready. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a small portion of this. For that I'm just going to dip my hands in water and take a small portion of the stuffing. Nicely you can press it like this, and with the thumb you can make a small hole like this. Small portion, making a small hole in the middle, and I'm slightly sliding down the oil. So you can see that it's like in the shape of a uddin vada or the urad dal vada. The first one I did not make a hole in the middle, and it was with onion, garlic and red chili spice, and this is with the hole in the middle with black pepper and green chili spice. So whichever suits you, you can always do that. So you can see how nicely and crispy it is come. It just, you cannot make out the difference between the urad dal vada and this tapioca vada.